Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by parking, engaging the brake, and wearing gloves and eye protection so you avoid sparks and acid exposure. Once hood is open, identify the negative black and positive red plus terminals and remove any plastic covers. Use a 10 mm wrench. Loosen the negative clamp first to prevent shorting. After the negative is free, push the cable away from the terminal and secure it so it can't touch the battery or metal. Now loosen and remove the positive clamp next, keeping it isolated. Once both terminals are disconnected, locate and remove the battery hold-down clamp or bracket. Use the appropriate socket and keep parts organized. Lift the battery straight up, 2 hands, steady motion, because it's heavy and acid could spill if tipped. With the battery out, inspect the cables and terminals. Remove white crust with a brush and baking soda solution, rinse and dry. Make sure the tray and venting channels are clean and dry. Replacing a corroded tray prevents future problems and ensures a solid electrical ground. When installing the replacement, seat the battery fully in the tray and secure the hold down so it won't shift. Do not over-tighten. Connect the positive plus terminal first and tighten the clamp, then connect the negative and tighten. This order prevents accidental shorts. Replace any terminal covers and start the engine to verify charging and electronics. If the car doesn't start or shows electronics faults, make sure clamps are clean and tight. Check fusible links and fuses, and recheck terminal orientation as the primary trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.